Yo, bro, what's good? So I will be doing the truck loading knapsack, whatever the fuck, knapsack problem without any equations at all. All we're gonna use is our fucking fingers. So here I wrote down whatever the weights are and the values, and I made the table. How do you make the table? 0 to 10. That's because 10 is our maximum weight for the knapsack, and we have the items right here. You will also notice that I put little coordinates right here, 2, 2, 7, 8, where the first digit right here is the weight and the second digit is the reward or the value. So I'm gonna show you how I'm able to do this. And I used this method on the last midterm and I was able to get it right as well. It's very easy. So first, we're gonna look at the weight of this guy, right? And as you can see, the weight is going to be at 3. So these guys, you can't place anything in it, which makes sense. We're just gonna put this as 0. You can put false if you want. It's not really necessary. And you'll notice that I don't have a row that says 0. I think it's pointless to have it. It doesn't really help you at all. So yeah, right here. So now that we get to weight 3, you are able to actually unlock this guy now. And that's when it turns 6 for the first time. And I'm just going to fill out the rest as 6. But don't do this for the other tables because there could be little changes that happen over time. And later I'll show you. So this next one, the weight is 2. So these guys, you can't place it into any. So that's just 0, 0, false, false. Once you get to 2, you're able to place 2. So you have to ask yourself, is 2 greater than 0, which is what is on top? Yes, it is. So that's why we put 2 and true right here. Next, we'll get our hand, right? We'll go back 2 steps because the weight is 2. 1, 2, and keep track of this guy above right here. So 2 spaces back and look above, and we're going to move both of these pointers that we have to this guy now. 2 plus 0 is still 2. Is 2 greater than 6? No, it's not. So we're going to put 6 right here and a false. Now let's keep doing this. 2 plus 0 is less than 6. We're going to put 6 here and a false. Keep track of my hands. One more time. Now we have a change right here. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 is greater than 6 right here. So we're going to put 8. Now, why does this make sense? Because we can now pick up both item 2 and item 1 right here, and both of them combined gives you 8. And because they don't change, like the top row doesn't change right here, if we keep doing the pointer strat, you're just going to keep getting 8. So we're just going to fill these tables with 8 now. All right, cool. On to the third one, we're going to do the same thing. Its weight is 7, so we're going to mark 7 right here. All of these, it should be the same thing as this guy right here, where this is all false. Because you can't pick up item 3 until you reach the 7 point. So I'm just going to put 0, 0, what's on top right here, which is 2, 6, 6, 8, 8. And now you're actually able to pick this guy up now right here. So with our finger again, because its weight is 7, we're going to count boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, boom. 7 plus, what's its weight? 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. It is equal to this guy, so you can literally pick it up or not. It doesn't really matter. Here, let's do it again. Now once we get to here, now we have 8 plus 2, which is greater than 8 right here. 8 plus 2 is 10, which is greater than this top part right here. So we're going to put 10. That looks bad, sorry. All right, next up with our little hand pointers, we're going to move to the last little thing right here. Boom. 8 plus 6 is greater than 8 because that's 14. 14 is greater than 8. So we're going to do 14 and true here. We're going to keep following these steps, all right? So remember, why do we do that? We're able to pick up 7 right here, or item 3, which has a weight of 7. Go back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom, boom. That means we're able to pick up both item 3 and item 1. 8 plus 6 is greater than 8, so this guy solos, no diff. Next, we're going to move on to 4. 4 is kind of a waste of time. This item kind of sucks. So you can place 4 whenever the item weight is 4, so we're going to leave a mark right there. 0, 0, 2, 6, false, false, because you can't even pick it up, so it does not matter. And you're going to see this whole time it's going to be false. Put your first pointer right here, put your last pointer right here, because remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, up. So 1 plus 0, less than that. And if you keep, I'm going to save time, but if you keep running through these, it's always going to be less. You don't pick up this item at all because it sucks. And because it sucks, we're just gonna copy whatever's up here. So its entire row is false. Now I'm pretty sure that's right. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 plus 1, which is the value of this guy, is 9. It's less than 14, so we don't pick it up. And next we're gonna do our last one, which is item 5 right here. All right, cool. Item 5, you get to pick it up when the weight is 1. Wow, okay, so right here. So remember, you can't copy and paste this guy, mindlessly, because you can pick this guy up now. You can actually do 3 and true. Why? 3 is greater than 0, so you do pick it up. This guy remains false though. And next we're gonna set up our pointers right here. So next up is 3 plus 0 greater than 2. Yes it is, so we're gonna pick it right back up. All right, cool. Next, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 is less than this guy, so we're actually not gonna pick it up this time. All right, let's keep going. This is gonna be 9. Is 9 greater than 6? Yes it is, so let's pick it right back up. All right, cool. Let's keep following it. Is 9 greater than 8? Yes it is, you bet. Okay. 3 plus 8 is 11 greater than 8? Yes it is, so we're gonna pick it up. 11, 11, 11. But wait, right here, whenever we reach this one, we see 3 plus 10 is equal to 13, but 13 is less than this guy, so you don't even pick it up. And that's interesting because the answer to the previous one should include this guy, but it turns out because it's knapsack and you can't have part of an item for the DP stuff, that's not part of the optimal solution. So how do you find it? Is this true? No. Like starting from the bottom right, we look for the one that's true. If this is false, you go up 1. If this is false, you go up 1, and then we circle this guy. All right, cool. So now we for sure know we have to pick up item 3. I'll write it down here. Okay, so next up, what is the weight of 3? It is 7. So let's go back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go up because it's still false. Sorry, you just go up no matter what. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You go up. Is it false? If it is false, you keep going up until it's true. And because it's true, you see this? That means we picked up item 1 as well. And as you can see, it matched up with his answer. Yeah, and does this make sense? Yeah, the maximum value is going to be 14. And as you can see, no equations wrote at all, only basic mental math, and your 2 fingers. So if this appears on the final, which it probably will, just use your fingers, man, honestly. I didn't even know there's a recurrent relation for this. I'm not even gonna lie. I've just been using my fingers this whole time. It's been working. So yeah, best of luck.